everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, and in this video I have a huge announcement that I want to make for you guys. I'm so excited to talk about it, but before I jump into that, I'm in my brand new renovated studio. If you are interested in me creating a video and kind of give you a tour inside my studio and also just showing you how I decorated everything and also how I set up my station for my clients, please drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and to like my channel if you do enjoy my videos. First things first, I do want to go over a few products that I had purchased from Lash by Kins. If you haven't heard from this brand before, definitely check them out. I will leave a link in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing any of her products. The promo code that I'm going to offer you ladies is Lash Therapy, all in caps. You will receive 10% and it never expires. So the first product that I want to go over that I purchased and have already used is the Volume Lash Tray. Now these are easy volume lash extensions and it starts from 11 millimeters to 16. Now I specifically bought this tray because I have not seen a tray yet that offers 11 millimeters to 16 millimeters, and on top of that, each length has 3 strips per length. So I definitely felt like I would, will get my money worth for it, and these are not going to go to waste. I'm going to use everything in this tray. Most of the time if I get a tray, it's like 8 through 15, and I usually don't really use the 8 millimeters. So like I said, it's not going to go to waste, and I kind of feel good about that. The second thing I want to go over is a glue that I purchased. It's called Lash Balm, and it's a fast drying glue. It's about 0.5 to 1 second dry time, and this is a 3 milliliter bottle, and I actually tried this out and it was actually really good, especially because I bought this glue mate and it's supposed to be for lash technicians that are in environments that you cannot control. So if your temperature is like out of whack and it's not in a certain degree because of your glue is requiring that, this is supposed to help, which I actually tried sampling on my mom recently, and I turned off my AC so I wasn't going to control the temperature inside the room, and the glue actually really did dry pretty quick, and the bond of the lash extension to the natural lash was really, really strong. So I felt pretty confident on that. So probably in a week or two I'm going to come back and check it out, see how her retention is. But to talk more about this glue mate, I've never heard of it prior until I bought this, and I wish that I found this sooner, because I recently went through a period of my career where I was lashing in a studio where it wasn't temperature controlled, and I would have clients come in and their lash extensions weren't lasting after like a few days, and I felt like I was doing something wrong, and it just was really stressing me out, and it made me feel so discouraged about my business, and I really just kind of wanted to give up, and it was like the worst feeling that I've ever felt. So I ended up buying a $300 AC, just to kind of control the temperature, and it really, really did justice. It really helped my clientele out and their retention, and it really helped my business, get back on track. But I was like, let me just try this glue mate out, because let's say if I were to have to move somewhere, or if I want to go mobile for, any reason, this might help. And I really actually enjoyed using this. So how you use this is you just use a little bit on the lash extension strip before you take the lashes off. And, this way it's actually supposed to help the curing time for the glue when you dip the lash extension in the glue. Oh, and one more thing that I didn't mention that I really think that is super important for you guys to know is that I purchased this about a few days ago. I think about maybe like 3 days ago, and it took about 2 or 3 days for me to receive this package. Especially around like right now, the pandemic that's been going on, I expected this to take about maybe 1 or 2 weeks. So I was like so surprised that it came really quick. I greatly appreciated that. So I just kind of wanted to mention that. And if you are interested in these products, I'm going to leave that link in the description box down below. You can just kind of click on the link, use promo code all caps /therapy, and you can receive a discount. I will have a video coming soon for you ladies, probably maybe about a week or 2, just to show you and demonstrate how I use these products, as well as the lash extensions. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. Alright ladies, let's jump into this big announcement. I do want to kind of briefly go over this pandemic that we all are going through right now. I personally had to shut down my business. I had to cancel all my clients. And, you know, I feel like it's for the best. I feel like that I'm doing good more than I'm doing anything else, because I'd rather be safe for my friends and for my family, and also for my clientele. So I'm sorry that if you all are going through the same thing right now. My heart goes out for you all. You know, we're all going through this together, and we're going to be as supportive as we can for each other. You know, please stay safe. And so the next thing I want to talk about during this pandemic is that I want to offer you a free online course. This online course is going to go over the classic lash extension online course. This is going to be a live stream, and you will be able to ask me any questions you like, and I'm going to be answering as many questions as I can for you ladies. If you are a lash technician who is just starting off, or if you are an experienced lash technician, or if you're not a lash technician, you're just interested in watching, don't be afraid to ask questions. I'm here for you. I do want to just give out all my tips and tricks for you for free while we're going through this right now, just because I know that financially we're all going to be going through this all together. So I really want to give this to you guys for free so you don't have to worry about anything. You know, I want us to be able to still be educated in our craft and kind of be fresh on our craft as well. So please don't forget to hit that bell notification just so you are up to date and that you will be notified. The times that we are going to be posting this video is going to be around 6 p.m. Pacific Western Time. So that's going to be about, I think, about 9 p.m. on the Eastern Time. So, and the last thing too is that this course has been designed for my clients who I have trained personally. I do one-on-one personal training courses. I usually charge them, you know, around like $1,000 per course. And this is going to be all free online for you guys. And it's really awesome because it's going to extend for the entire month. So I'm really excited for you ladies to, you know, check this out. Do this with me. We can all do this together and rise from all of this and have something positive for us to go through. So I can't wait to see you guys next time.